So I started censoring my son online, so if he happens to be in a video that I record, I blur his face out. And I've had so many moms ask me what app I'm using, how to do it, all the things, so many. I was like, you know what, let me just do a tutorial real quick. So I did a little screen share and I'm blurring out my dog's face for you guys. It's so easy. It looks a little bit intimidating at first, but once you do it once or twice, it is so easy. And also, just so you know, I use the free version of CapCut. I'm sure there are other apps you can use. I've only done it on CapCut and it's working great for me. So you're gonna click the plus sign and add in the video. Click add. You're now gonna click on the video. You'll see it highlight. Scroll over until you see duplicate. Click that and then click overlay. Now you wanna match up the duplicate video with the original video. Now click the original video on the top. You're gonna click effects, video effects. You'll have to search for the blur feature. I already have mine up here because I use it often. Make sure you scroll the blur all the way to the right to 100%. Okay, now you'll click on the bottom video and you'll scroll all the way to the right until you see mask. You'll then choose the shape you want. I usually use a circle. And then you're gonna click invert in the bottom left corner. As you can see here, you can change the size of the shape that you chose. You're going to cover whatever you're trying to blur out. If you are trying to blur out something that is moving, you will then need to click the diamond with the negative sign in the top right. So every time your subject moves, you have to reposition the blur, and once you do, it'll automatically put like a little diamond there, and then it'll show you, it'll follow where you're trying to blur, but you have to move and adjust the blur based off of the subject that you're trying to blur. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. You can see here I'm adjusting it the closer my dog gets. And this is where it just takes a little bit of practice to get it right. Okay, so I just sped this part up because it does take a little bit of time. And then you'll see right here the finished result. I also just want to make note that you can choose what blur effect to use. You don't have to use the one that I'm showing right here. There's so many options in CapCut.